Many applicants want to go to Almaty, but they don't know what university to choose. Well, I'll tell you.
Kazakh Ablay Khan University of International Relations and World Languages. A key principle in the development of Ablay Khan University is to get everything best and modern, relying on great pedagogic traditions of the past. There are 7 departments of bachelor's program. First, Department of Translation and Philology. Second, Pedagogical Department. Third, Department of Management and International Communication. Fourth, Department of International Relations. Fifth, Department of Economy and Law. Sixth, Department of Additional Education. Seventh, Department of Oriental Studies. Oriental Studies is unique in its sole focus on introducing students to civilizations that are different from the Western. The courses present both the major traditions and cultural trends of the region studied and, in most cases, their modern developments. All courses include a combination of linguistic, literary, historic, and cultural studies, and there is a wide range of options in fields such as art and history, literature, philosophy, religion, and modern social studies. Majors: Oriental Studies, Foreign Philology, Translation Studies. If you are going to enter the major of Oriental Studies, then get ready to study history, culture, politics, economics of the countries of the studied region, for example, China, Korea, or Japan. If you are going to enter the major of Foreign Philology, you should be prepared for in-depth study of the language and culture of the country you are studying. If you are going to enter the major of Translation Studies, then get ready to translate texts, documents, and etc. You will have to think in 2 languages at the same time. Do you want to understand doramas? Do you want to read original Japanese mangas? So you are welcome. We study languages such as Chinese, Arabic, Korean, Persian, Japanese, and English. So let's start the fun part of our presentation, students' life. This is our student residence. It's very cozy and comfortable here. Here you can make many friends. So let's study together. You will like it, I assure.